iPhone 16 series front camera, cable replacement. You need to connect to the Luban platform first, to unbind and flash the device. This is an iPhone 16 PM with a pop-up window, after replacing the front camera. Take out the Pound L3 repair instrument. Connect the phone with an engineering cable. The camera has been unbound. Buckle the front camera with the Pound cable welded onto the expansion board. Detection display normal. Click right. Confirm to right jailbreak unbinding. Right success. Detection display exists data. After writing is completed, reinstall the camera on the phone and use the Pound platform to flash the phone. After flashing the phone, you need to restart the phone, and the pop-up problem on the phone will be solved.